afternoon. Welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 test of oral English past question. Question number 27. So we should look out for the word that contains the same consonantal sound as in the given word, particularly put into consideration the underlined letter. The underlined letter in this word is letter D, and this word is pronounced as card. So by transcription, we have k sound and log r sound with t. The option A is pronounced as sandwich. Sandwich. Option B is pronounced as edge. Option C is pronounced as soldier. So, not so, sir. Yeah. Option D is pronounced as maid. Made. So by this transcription, we find out that the letter D in option D is not silent, so it's pronounced as in the given word too. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you, and ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.